Poshmark Q&A. Here we go. Hold on. I need to put more lip gloss on. Hold on, please. First question actually isn't a question. It's just kind of like a suggestion, and I totally agree with this, so I wanted to mention it in this video. It says, I hate how it doesn't show the reviews from buyers unless they write love note comments. Poshmark should fix that so customers can see all the reviews. And I agree with that. On Mercari, you can see all of the person's reviews, whether they are good or bad. On Poshmark, you can only see 5-star reviews. I have seen some people like get around that, like some like, you know, pissed off buyers. They'll leave like a 5-star review, and then, you know, it wasn't a 5-star purchase, but they know that the only way other people will see their review is that if they put 5 stars, and then they can say whatever they want. So I have seen that happen. But yeah, I totally agree. I feel like you should be able to see the good and the bad, not just the good. You know, it wouldn't be a Vanessa video if we didn't mention bots, right? Right? Okay, this Christian, I was gonna say person in question, but it came out as Christian. Can someone tell me why Poshmark puts a user in Poshmark Jail? Puts a user in Poshmark Jail on account of using a bot. More shares equals more sales equals more money for Poshmark, so it seems like a win-win. They're paying for the bot, so why do they care? And I mean, there's many reasons, because, you know, if someone uses a bot, you know, things go fast with the bot. It could overload their system. You know, giving someone access to your Poshmark account isn't really the smartest thing to do, because you don't truly know what they're gonna do with that information. Poshmark doesn't want third parties on their site, accessing their site. You know, there's just many reasons. But I mean, you are right. Yes, more sales equals more, or more shares equals more sales, which equals more money for Poshmark, yes. But I think they're just looking at it from like a technical standpoint. You know, they're probably gonna say that their system can't even handle it. And, you know, just the risk of having third parties on their website. Next question. Hi Vanessa, it's Debbie from Debbie C on Poshmark. Hello. I just linked my Instagram to Poshmark, but I can't link my closet Facebook business page to it. It keeps trying to link my personal account. What am I doing wrong? Thank you for keeping us up to date and informed about everything you know about Poshmark. You look radiant today with your new lip gloss. Oh, you are so sweet. I'm actually wearing it again today. I don't look radiant today though. I look, I didn't sleep good at all last night. Anyway, okay, so I don't think you can link, I'm trying to think. I don't have my Facebook account linked to Poshmark, but I don't believe that you can link a business account. I think it has to be a personal account. So my camera's shaking. That's probably why you're having issues. I think it has to be a personal account, because you said it keeps trying to link your personal account. I'm pretty sure. I will do a little research while I'm editing this video, and like I'll put, you know, some words up here if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it has to be a personal account and not a business account, and that's why you're having an issue. So this, I just had to mention this in this video, because there's got to be more people that feel this way. This person said, do you do haul videos anymore, or what's sold, not harshing on the Q&As? Just wondering what to look forward to from your channel. So I've gotten actually a couple people say that to me recently, like, Vanessa, are you gonna do other videos besides Poshmark related videos? And I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna start doing more, you know, other related videos, like beauty related videos, haul videos, favorites videos. I'm actually gonna film a favorites video after this. I filmed a beauty related video before this, but that's how my channel started. Like, I first started out making beauty videos on YouTube, and I don't want to lose that, and I feel like I have lost that because I've just been so consumed with Poshmark. Like, literally Poshmark is like, it's a very big part of my life. So that's why I do a lot of videos on it. But yes, I am going to be doing more videos, not Poshmark related, coming soon. I'm going to try to bring back Mascara Monday. If there's any other type of videos that you guys want to see, comment down below. But yes, we are going to get back to the OG-ness with Poshmark videos still, you know, still here. Next question, Vanessa question. What can you do with the listings that use a brand for exposure? They actually put it in the description that they use the brand for exposure. Is that okay? I think you're talking about like if, you know, say you were selling like a sweatshirt and it's from like Target, and you put like Nike in the title. People are gonna see Nike in the title and click on it before they, I would think, before they search for something from Target. So yeah, you're not supposed to do that. Some people like willingly, you know, disclose that in their listings, like, oh, I just put that this was a Nike sweatshirt just to get exposure. You're right. And technically, hold on, I gotta sneeze. Technically, you're not supposed to do that. It's against Posh's rules, but we know people get away with a lot of stuff on Poshmark. You can report the listing, and I don't know what you report it as. Let's do this. Let's try something. Let's go to a random listing and see what we can report it as. I'll report this listing. Oh, mistagged item. That's what it would be. You could report it as a mistagged item, and whether Poshmark will do anything about it, you know, who knows? But at least you did, you know, your part in being a good posher and, you know, trying to get rid of the shadiness on there. So yeah, that's what you can do. Next question. Good morning. I follow your YouTube channel and hope you're doing well. Oh, thank you. What's your name? Renee. Thank you. I have a little bit of a problem and hope you can help. Sorry for bothering you. Oh my gosh, you're not, no, you guys, you're not bothering me. I love making these videos, like answering your questions and helping you guys out. So don't ever think that you're bothering me, because you're not. And if you were, I'd tell you. Okay, it says, I just got a notification that my buyer changed their address and sent me a new shipping label, but I already put the package in a Dropbox. I emailed Poshmark, but I know they won't respond for a while. Do you have experience with this? Thank you. Oh my gosh, when did you send this? You sent this Friday and today's Monday. I've had that happen to me before, but luckily I have caught it before I've mailed it out. So you've already reached out to Poshmark. I mean, really it's out of Poshmark's hands. It's in the post office hands. You can, you know, try to call the post office and track it down and see what they say. It might get sent back to you if it was like an, you know, like a not a correct address or like an older address. That would be the best case scenario. Get sent back to you, and then you can just mail it out with the new label. But I would contact the buyer and tell them like, hey, you know, I didn't get this label until after I sent it out. I'm really sorry. And then just kind of go from there. But yeah, that's really all you can do because it's in the post office's hands. But definitely a good idea to let Poshmark know, because you know, let's say it could be a case of where it gets delivered and it's the wrong address. Like maybe this person put the wrong address and it gets delivered to somebody else's house and it marks as delivered. So that could be a sticky situation too. So first thing I would do would be contact the post office and see where it is, and then I guess see what they suggest from there. Why am I getting washed out right now? The lighting is changing like crazy. Okay, next question, do you give free shipping and do you think that that is important? I actually touched on this in a previous Q&A video, and sometimes I offer free shipping. It really depends on the item. If it's a higher end item, I will offer free shipping. And do I think it's important? I mean, I don't know, not really. I know that myself, I am enticed by free shipping. Like when I get those emails that's like, oh, Ulta's offering free shipping today, or Sephora's offering free shipping, or any place is offering free shipping. I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta go spend money because it's free shipping. So I know that entices me, and it probably entices a lot of people too. But like I said, I don't offer free shipping unless it's an expensive item or unless somebody bundles a lot of things together. Okay, and the last question is, curious as to when the new edition is due to arrive. So happy for you. Thank you. So this isn't Poshmark related, this is baby related. If you guys didn't know, I am pregnant with my 5th baby. I'm due in December. I'm due actually 2 days before Christmas, which is crazy. It's actually my mom's birthday. But I'm being induced a week early, which is great, because I was worried about, you know, going into labor on Christmas and then having Christmas like not ruined, but you know, just like interfered with. The second week in December. If you want to know more about my pregnancy, I don't talk about it too much on this channel. I will have my vlog channel linked down below. I try to do, like with my last 3 pregnancies, I was really good about doing weekly updates, but I just have so much going on right now. Actually, tomorrow we start homeschool, so pray for me. But yeah, if you want to know more about my pregnancy, you should follow my vlog channel. I will have that linked down below. That's it for this video. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.